Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn first Bootstrap web page we are going to create. How pretty it is easy. I'll show you a very simple techniques to copy and paste works only here. Just you need to go around Bootstrap site and take the template and grab it and like saving our own project environment and run the file. That's all about to create Bootstrap first page. How it is. Let's see here. Be sure to have pages set up the latest design and development standards. That means using an HTML5 doc type and including a viewport meta tag for proper responsive behavior. Put it all together on your pages should looks like this. And to go to our startup like a startup template, we have enough information to creating by using the startup template to quick start and immediately jumping to collecting all the libraries which are available in Bootstrap 4, the latest one. We can easily grab it. How? Just go with this URL I have shown here, like https forward slash getbootstrap.com docs 4.0, like a latest version, getting iPhone started and introduction. This is the URL, and very simply I'll show you. This is the code of that particular part. You need not to write on a single line of code. I'm assuring that. Let's see here. Go to Google. Very simple. Like just simply type like a getbootstrap.com. Open the site. Yes, we are here. And I would like to tell you a few things. Once I would have to show you the thing of how to create our own bootstrap thing. Then I will explain you the few things to how to go for a more productive and way of technical professional way. All right. Now let's see. This is the first page I'm showing you here very clearly. Go to the documentation here. Very simple documentation. Now let's see here the document of docs 4.5 and getting started introduction. We have reached here. Now what I'm doing here, scroll down for this introduction. Scroll down. Here you'll observe starter template, right? Be sure your page is the latest design of the development of standards. Now just see here, it is in a copy. Copy to clipboard means you just press the copy. Yes, it is copied. Now open any of your favorite editor like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, how you are implemented using any of your favorite editor. Likewise, use the same editor itself. All right. Once we have taken a copy, and I'm going to create a new file. Yes, like a new file here, and I'm saving this file at my web demo folder. Yes, this is the web demo folder, and I'm put it as a bootstrap 4.html. All right, save it. Now you just paste the content what we have copied. I have taken a copy from this startup template, just copy, and I have taken like an initiating of the step of control completely. The code is pasted here. That's it. I didn't written any a single line of code here. Right now, you save it and try to run. Right click, open in browser. This will open our favorite browser. It is opening like Internet Explorer. I'm transmitting to the taking of the copy of this URL to our Internet Explorer to Mozilla Google Chrome. Paste here. Check with this URL. Yes, hello world. It is font. Everything is awesome. Font will be applied here. See, I'm expanding the page view up to 250%. You'll observe that we got it responsive with bootstrap page. That's it. This is our integrating bootstrap into our local project. How pretty it is easy. Yes, easy. See more detail. I'll go with the startup template. Yes, nice. Yes. Now go to this site. Here you can observe this is the indication of HTML5 doc type, and here, like I will see, we'll explain here with the code part. Character set, it is by defaultly they have ready-madely giving you all the things, but you need to know how to handle and how to use these things to your local web page. That's all about our bootstrap lectures will be like this only. You will be known, you need not to be more familiar and more to be use your analytical levels and all, not required. Just you need to know how to copy and paste the code wherever it is required. That is sufficient to make your site more beautification and applying more CSS and creating very lightweight pages as well. This is the view part for creating a responsive pages. The link here for Bootstrap CSS. This is the command line and a link with the relation of style sheet, and href attribute is showing that the path of stackpath.bootstrapcdn.com and 4.5 css bootstrap.min.css is the file we are able to accessing from real time. The CDN network we are able to getting with this link directly. Yes, you can use the same link as well. And here you can observe the more thing, jQuery first, then proper JS, then bootstrap JS. This is the order you have to follow whenever you are going to calling this type of scripts from web pages like a real time. Whereas you are going to be integrating in your local project as well. You to follow the same thing. Strongly remember. All right. That is the way you can go with have like a bootstrap functionality in your local system. The same thing will be applied as well. And if you want to make it as in a local environment of the all the libraries of jQuery like bootstrap, go to home. There you will identify just download. You find the download here. Yes, you just press the button of the download and go here to run for this click button, and you will be get the all the libraries which are available in bootstrap. Make it as available in your folder of one project, and appropriately you specify the link of the files. That's all about. If you are going to be run like on our open source systems of Linux flavor operating systems, there you have to use via npm. There is a module called npm install bootstrap. Or if you want to get a specific version, you run these commands. Like a 4.5 is on the latest version it is going now. You check with this. Or bootstrap CDN networks, these are the links are ready. CSS only if you want, and JS, proper JS and jQuery, these links to be linked at your page. All we have seen as well. And bootstrap icons, more icons are available, how to call and everything you will be learned here. All right. In our next lecture onwards, we'll see one by one with the work with the functional work with the bootstrap components all. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.